You're thinking of garden seed germination. You've got boxes of seeds around the house. What are you going to do with them? Are they too old? Are they going to give you disappointment? They don't put the date on them anymore. So what do? Simple. Paper towel, fold it in 4, put it on a plastic plate, like so. Get some water, ensure that it's well soaked. Is this corn any good? Should you waste time this spring and find out it doesn't germinate or it's not vigorous? Knock out 10 grains. 9, 10. That's your corn. Hey, you've got sunflowers. Not too many seed left, but will they germinate? There's 5 teddy bear sunflowers there. Huh? And then, okay, so you look at, say, onions. Lots of it there and smaller. I'll put my onion seed out. If I don't know, I can put down corn, sunflower, and onion. Just take a Ziploc bag, pop this in. In 7 to 10 days, if I've got 10 corn seeds there and only 2 come up, hey, I need a new packet. But if I got 10 corn seeds there and 9 come up, that's good corn. I've got 5 sunflower seeds, none of them come up, hey, buy new sunflower seeds. Check your seed viability. And all you need to check your seed viability is simple. It's a Ziploc bag, a plastic plate, and a paper towel with a little water. And you put your seeds on in there, and there you go. A very simple way. You can do it, and you can find out if that seed you've kept is any good.